scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Monopolistic competition looks harmless, but this question is really about long-run inefficiency, and we can answer fast by tracking output versus average total cost. In a monopolistically competitive market, firms face many rivals, but still sell differentiated products. So each firm has a downward sloping demand curve instead of the perfectly flat demand seen in perfect competition. Since that demand curve slopes downward, the firm chooses output where marginal revenue equals marginal cost, and that quantity ends up below the output level where average total cost reaches its minimum. That gap creates excess capacity, meaning the firm could produce more before reaching minimum average total cost. So long-run equilibrium is inefficient. And option C? Well done! Option C. Scan now. Trap, rushing past excess capacity. Rule, trust the given market structure and check each step before choosing.